Hello friends, in today's video I will be teaching you about how to draw a graph in Excel. Most of us have ever drawn the graphs on a graph paper. So today using MS Excel, that is a Microsoft Excel, how you can draw a graph in Excel sheet. So here I am sharing my screen with you all. So for your reference, first I will take some readings. Now I am taking the readings for estimation of sugar by DNSA method. This is the concentration of sugar in milligrams per ml and absorbance at 540 nanometer. So these are the absorbance readings. Now you can see besides I have already drawn a graph. So same readings I am going to copy in my another sheet. So in sheet 2 I am copying these readings. Now we have to select these readings, okay? And then we have to go to insert and here you can see the charts, okay? Now suppose I want in the form of line, mostly this will be in the form of line. So you can select in the form of line, okay? Whichever type you want to. Now we don't want a double line, we want a single line graph. So here in the charts you can see, okay? So here I got a line. Okay, now you want to give the title. So you can start typing your title here. So it is estimation of sugar by DNSA method. Okay, now you have to show that what is given on the x-axis, what is given on the y-axis. So you can go to the add chart elements, then you can go to the axis. Now axis on primary horizontal, that is on your x-axis what is there, and primary vertical what is on your y-axis. So we'll give primary horizontal, axis title, primary horizontal. So on x-axis we have concentration of sugar in mg per ml. So that is done. And now again we have clicked on the graph. So you have to go to designs, add chart element, axis titles, primary vertical. So here you can give the title for your y-axis, that is absorbance at 540 nanometer. Okay. So this way you can plot a graph in the Excel sheet. Now see, you should ideally get a straight line, but it is not a straight line. These have just joined the points. But ideally you should understand from this video that how you can plot a graph. If you want, you can please go back to the video and check it once again. Thank you for patiently listening to the video.